Change requests, or CRs, are a common part of any software development lifecycle, especially in agile and traditional project management practices. A change request is essentially a formal proposal to modify some aspect of a project. These changes can range from adjustments in scope, features or requirements to design updates, new functionality, or even process modifications. Since projects rarely go exactly as initially planned, change requests ensure that modifications are tracked, evaluated, and implemented in a structured manner without jeopardizing quality or timelines. When it comes to requirements, change requests are particularly critical because they directly impact what the system is supposed to do. If a stakeholder realizes mid-project that a new feature is needed or an existing one must be revised, a CR is raised. This ensures the request is documented, discussed, and approved before being incorporated into the development process. Without CRs, there would be chaos. Teams might build features based on ad hoc conversations instead of verified and approved instructions. The Requirement Traceability Matrix, or RTM, plays a central role in managing CRs effectively. The RTM maps requirements to test cases, design elements, and other project artifacts, ensuring everything is accounted for and validated. When a change request, or CR, is approved, it's crucial that the corresponding requirements in the Requirements Traceability Matrix, or RTM, are updated. This step is essential because it ensures that any new or modified requirements are properly linked to the correct test cases and design documents. This way, we maintain consistency and completeness across the board. Now, one major benefit of updating the RTM when change requests occur is that it provides much-needed visibility. Teams can clearly see which test cases, design components, or deliverables are impacted by the change. This visibility helps prevent any gaps in testing and significantly reduces the risk of introducing defects, because the impact of the change is clearly understood and managed. It's essentially a safety net that ensures changes are implemented without breaking any existing functionality. For example, let's imagine a change request to add two-factor authentication to a login system. This new requirement must be added to the RTM, mapped to new test cases for authentication, and connected to the updated design documents. Without updating the RTM, testers might overlook this feature, leading to incomplete coverage and potential security risks. By updating the RTM, the team ensures every related piece of work is tracked and validated. Change requests also serve as a formal communication channel between stakeholders and development teams. They prevent misunderstandings by documenting the reason for the change, its impact, and the approval decision. This record-keeping is valuable for governance and accountability, especially in large projects with multiple stakeholders. Updating the RTM ensures that this communication doesn't just live in a document, but translates into tangible project updates. Another important aspect is risk management. Every change brings potential risks such as increased cost, extended timelines, or added complexity. By linking CRs to the RTM, project teams can evaluate how much risk is introduced by a new requirement and prepare mitigation strategies. For example, if a CR introduces a dependency on a third-party API, the RTM highlights where it will affect testing and functionality, allowing the team to assess reliability concerns. CRs also provide flexibility. Businesses operate in dynamic environments and customer needs evolve. The ability to accommodate CRs while keeping the RTM updated ensures the project remains aligned with business goals. This balance between flexibility and structure allows teams to adapt while maintaining control over project quality and scope. Additionally, the process of updating the RTM after CRs encourages collaboration between different roles: business analysts, developers, testers, and project managers. Analysts document the new requirement, developers adjust the system, and testers align their test cases. The RTM serves as the central reference point that ties all this work together. Without it, changes might be implemented inconsistently across different teams. Failing to update the RTM after a CR can lead to serious consequences. Requirements might be implemented but never tested, or test cases might exist for requirements that are no longer relevant. This misalignment leads to wasted effort, defects, and dissatisfied stakeholders. Keeping the RTM updated ensures accuracy, accountability, and continuous alignment with project objectives. In conclusion, change requests are inevitable in any project, but handling them well determines project success. The requirement traceability matrix acts as a backbone for integrating these changes smoothly. By updating the RTM whenever a CR is approved, teams maintain visibility, consistency, and test coverage while minimizing risks. This disciplined approach transforms change from being a disruptive force into a manageable and even beneficial aspect of project development.